Hunter's new TCX 58 and 59 tire changers introduce a revolutionary new inflation system called Fast Blast. Today's large volume truck and SUV tires are often a struggle to inflate. Hunter's Fast Blast is rail mounted, so it avoids techs holding blast nozzles and tanks. The Fast Blast works completely hands-free, so techs don't need to lift heavy tires and hold them in back-braking positions. You just aim the nozzle, activate the charge, and hit the pedal. Now the 58 and 59 are built on Hunter's best-in-class 2-speed chassis for plenty of power and speed, and they feature the most powerful bead braking shovel system and Hunter's unique automatic swing arm. The 58 and 59 also feature a simple single-point upper press head that's optimized for standard wheel service. Now heavier, stiff lower beads are often a serious challenge for truck tires, but the 58 and 59 has them licked with Hunter's unique lower locking demount disc. This thing is great for 19.5s. All TCX 58 and 59 tire changers can fit Hunter's optional wheel lift, which adds even more safety and labor savings to this package. Available with traditional plastic or steel mount heads on the 58 model, or a labor-saving leverless mount head on the TCX 59, these tire changers are workhorses.